Hey, what's up? I got the HI-Matic 11 Super Circuit 3 Minolta camera. It's in okay condition, and I wanted to really test it out. I've had this for maybe 6, 7 months and never actually used it. So, yeah, I'm out here looking like an idiot. Got lapel mic'd up, got the GoPro. Um, we're at the world famous wildlife refuge out here in Shreveport because any of you that are living out here realize that there's not much to do around here, so I keep coming to the same places. But yeah, let's just go out and shoot.
The first thing that every speaker should do is to learn the three basic games of public speaking. 1, you must be heard. 2, you must be understood. 3, you must be pleasing. Now remember these 3 points. You must be heard, you must be understood, and you must be pleasing. Now most of us fall short in at least one of these 3 points. For instance,
well, the fact is, we spent many nights in the jungle looking for headhunters.
There's a bug. Where'd the bug go? Anyway, yeah, so this camera feels pretty cool. I don't know how any of these images look yet, but one of the things I keep coming across is when you look through the viewfinder and you're going to focus, your hand gets in the way, especially if you want to do like a portrait or something. And it is an older camera, so it's not as smooth as a focus ring as I'd like, but it's still pretty good. I mean, once you start getting into older film cameras, I mean, as most of you, all you hipsters know, that you just kind of have to deal with a lot of these things. Like this viewfinder is super foggy. I think I need to take this apart. I would like to not take it apart, but I know how to use a screwdriver and like not break things. So we'll try that out. See if I can get this to be a little bit more minty fresh. This video is sponsored by Spearmint Minty Fresh. Yeah, I'm on 21 shots right now, so we'll finish this roll. I thought I was gonna shoot another roll of Portra that I have in the bag over there, but dude, I've been shooting medium format for so long that it takes like 36 shots. It's like, oh, I remember going from digital to film was like, I only get 36 shots, but now I've gotten to the point where it's like, can I just quit now? Can I quit while I'm ahead? But yeah, we got a bunch of people around. They're enjoying their muggy Sunday. It's 73 degrees out, cloudy and raining. But yeah, let's finish up this roll. See what happens. It's a cool little spot I found. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. I will say that shooting with LOMOCHROME was kind of weird for me, and then that was also trying out that brand new camera, so there was two factors going on that was kind of making me second guess a bunch of stuff. So I'm not too happy with how any of that turned out. I'm not sure if you can tell, I scraped up the hell out of that film accidentally, but if you didn't notice, then cool. Hope YouTube compression helped me out there. Um, but yeah, this was just kind of me having fun, so I hope you enjoyed it. Again, as always, produce the music you heard. Kind of try to do every step of these videos all on my own, in terms of processing the film, taking the pictures, obviously, storyboarding, thinking about how I'm gonna tell the story. I'm obviously just trying to get better at that. Scanning, developing, everything. So if you want to check out my Instagram, it'll be right here. You could just search that up. I'll also throw the link in the description if you're lazy and just want to click on it. But yeah, till next time.